Os sucos detox são considerados benéficos para a saúde devido ao seu alto teor de vitaminas, minerais e antioxidants. They are usually made with fresh fruits and vegetables and can help detoxify the body, boost energy, improve digestion and help weight loss. Some common ingredients in detox juices include citrus fruits such as orange and lemon, vegetables such as kale and beetroot, and herbs such as ginger and mint. Detox juices can also help reduce inflammation in the body, improve liver function and help balance pH levels in the body. Some studies also suggest that detox juices can help prevent chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. It is important to remember that detox juices should not be used as a substitute for a balanced and healthy diet, but rather as an addition to your daily diet, and it is important to consult a health professional before starting any type of diet or supplementation. Pineapple, ginger and mint juice. Mix 1 cup chopped pineapple, 1 teaspoon grated ginger and 1 cup fresh mint in a blender. Add water or coconut water as needed and mix until smooth. Carrot, orange and ginger juice. Mix 2 shaved carrots, 2 peeled oranges and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger in a blender. Add water or coconut water as needed and mix until smooth. Kale, lemon and apple juice. Mix 2 cabbage leaves, half lemon squeezed and 1 apple chopped in a blender. Add water or coconut water as needed and mix until smooth. Beetroot, orange and ginger juice. Mix 1 boiled beetroot, 2 peeled oranges and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger in a blender. Add water or coconut water as needed and mix until smooth. Cucumber, lemon and mint juice. Mix 1 chopped cucumber, half squeezed lemon and 1 cup fresh mint in a blender. Add water or coconut water as needed and mix until smooth. Now if you do not have time or where you live is difficult to find these ingredients, I'll leave in the description of this video an indication of a powerful juice that can help you a lot, and its composition is natural as well as these recipes I showed you in this video. To receive more tips videos like this, enable notifications, like if you liked and subscribe to this channel. Until the next video.